Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from your BBVA account to a Banco Azteca account easily and securely using the BBVA app, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the BBVA app. Launch the BBVA mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Log in. Sign in with your username and password or use biometric login like fingerprint or Face ID. Step 3. Tap Transfers or Send Money. On the home screen, locate the Transfers option. Tap it to start a new transaction. Step 4. Choose to other banks. Since Banco Azteca is a different institution, select Transfer to another bank or Interbank Transfer. Step 5. Enter recipient's information. Fill in the details. Bank, Banco Azteca, CLABE 18-digit interbank account number or debit card number, recipient's name, amount to send, optional, add a reference or note. Step 6. Review and confirm. Double-check all details. Once you're sure, tap Continue or Confirm. You may need to enter your BBVA key or a verification code. Step 7. Save the contact optional. After the transfer is done, you can save the recipient as a frequent contact to make future transfers faster. Note: interbank transfers usually arrive within minutes, but in some cases it can take a few hours. Always check for confirmation. And that's it. You've now successfully transferred money from BBVA to Banco Azteca using your phone. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.